Hello. Today on the West of Telkwa YouTube channel, we're going to be doing a little bit of hoof trimming. I'm Dan, Warren's son, so you might have seen me briefly in other videos, but I am the hoof trimmer here. And I noticed this girl, I thought something might be up with the way she was walking. Nothing super noticeable, but I like to get on cows quickly if I think there might be a lesion in there. So this girl is Dariana Grande is her name. Oh. She's had 5 calves, and she's one of the top milkers in the herd right now. So we want to make sure her feet are up to snuff. So come on, let's go take a look.
Okay. So right now, Dan is going to lift up the left foot. Okay. She's really grumpy.
We got the back foot lifted up. This back left is the one I'm a bit suspicious of. So the tools we're going to use today, my hoof knife, once we've done the shaping, and this trimming grinder. Yeah. So this is a special disc with carbide tips. You can see the carbide tips in there. Very expensive for hoof trimming. It's about $700 just for this disc.
What?
Yeah, it's not cheap. And it's very sharp, so you need to be very careful and you need to really know what you're doing with these angles. And
so Warren, no go for Warren.
Yeah, that foot will be. Okay, first things first, I want to set her toe length to the proper desired length and then bring that angle of her foot. I want to get a good 45-degree angle there.
Yep.
Get the proper toe length, and then we can start looking for lesions.
Some stuff hit me in the face.
Watch your eyes.
Yeah, I know.
So as you can see in the sole ulcer spot where I would have suspected one, there's nothing much there. Maybe a little bit of hemorrhaging. But not enough for a lesion. More modeling.
You're a model.
Huh?
You're a model.
Yeah. Have to film this. And then the last thing we want to check is this interdigital space.
Mm-hmm.
Now, let me grab a towel a sec for that. Is the space between her 2 claws. It's very soft skin. If it were to get soaked in water, it would actually start like crinkling up. So when a cow's in mud or water for too long, that's a perfect spot for a stick or a rock to poke a hole there and for her to get foot rot. And we don't want her getting foot rot there because her deep flexor tendon that runs down, that creates all of her flexibility in her foot, runs right there. So we got to get on treating those right away. But it's the last spot I'd look if I have a cow that I think is off and I haven't found anything on her claws. Just to finish, just to make sure that I balance the hoof, okay, balanced across, even weight distribution, toes clean, toes to size, and we can let her go. Unfortunately for you guys, we didn't actually find a lesion that we had to deal with. But fortunate for me, because that means my girl's feet is in good shape. So Dariana Grande, thanks for being such a good patient today. You can head back to your buddy. So we're back in the dairy. This is the milking cow side for the lactating cows. Milking 100 cows on this side on 2 robots.
Yep.
So I go through the herd twice a day, make their beds, look for any problem cows.
Make their beds twice a day? Wow.
Yeah. They get a TMR mix of feed, with their mineral and their grain and their forage. And every hour, a little buddy,
Wally,
the
robot,
comes and pushes it up for them.
when you get that?
About a year and a half ago. It's amazing the difference this makes for cows to have feed access, especially the younger heifers that are quite submissive to the boss cows. The dairy guys get this, what we call a PMR, partial mixed feed, with their minerals and grain.
Yep.
The dry cows, so these are the close-up cows. They're the ones that are going to calve in the next couple weeks. We just give them a dry hay with no poop spread on it and no alfalfa to help with milk fevers. And then they get a special mineral and grain during the day. And then the far-off cows and heifers, they'll get leftover dairy feed, but basically a very basic forage diet of just silage.
Yeah.
I did lock up a cow this morning because it looked like she was getting ready to calve. So maybe let's go check it out. Oh, hi, Mama. Okay. Has she had a calf yet? I don't know. Let's go see. How's it look there, Isaiah?
Looks good.
Hey.
All licked off.
Hi,
Good
buddy.
job, Mama.
But hey, good job. Still a little wet. I got to licked off a little more, so it's fresh. This is an Angus cross calf.
Hi, Mama.
Yeah, good job, girly. This has been a really good cow for a long time. She's calving into her 5th lactation here.
Cool.
She's holding up really well. Okay.
Right now, it's massaging the teats and cleaning them. Some of you have probably seen this before, but we got new subscribers, so we're showing you it again.
Yes.
Now it's milking.
Okay.
Cool. This is the farm. We're going to show you around. Stay tuned. So this is the barn. What are you doing here, Warren?
It's a dairy barn.
Yeah.
So the boys are milking 100 cows in there.
Yeah.
A few robots. And then on the far side of the barn, they have the dry cows and the cows that are calving.
So that right there is where the cows calf. This is the shop where all the equipment gets fixed and maintenance. See, the loader is in there right now.
Yep.
This is the machine shed, and this is all the machines are parked that are not in use.
Baler wrapper,
Yep.
hoof trimming chute, and then on this side, balers, boat, tractor. And then this is the barley that we didn't have room for the grain bins, so we just put it in egg bags, and the truck's full of barley.
This is the junior calf barn right over there. Baby calf barn's right over there. So we're gonna go to the baby calf barn first. So they all think they're gonna get food right now, so that's why they're moving.
These are the calves that are from a week old to 3 months old. It's quite noisy. The first couple of weeks we keep them separate because of the disease. They can see each other, but they're separated by pens. And if we back up a bit, you can see that a little better. And then fed individually as well, so there's no transfer of sickness or disease.
These are the heifers, and then in the background there you see the bull straight ahead.
Yeah.
That bull is so what?
A nice word is naughty.
Naughty. Yeah, nice word. We can use a lot of bad words, but we won't use bad words. So
That's the one we couldn't get off the range this summer.
and it broke the fence, and then we couldn't find it for one half weeks, 2 weeks.
Yeah, he's going out for to Alberta in a couple weeks.
Cool.
Yep.
Bye bye. So right here, to your left is a chute. That's where the cows get either vaccinated or taken to the range or to Alberta or to Vancouver.
You're getting pretty good at this.
This is a junior calf barn. They're still moving because they think they're going to get milk, but they're not.
These guys will, yep. Front pen. We just shipped out another 7 of the big cross calves this morning, and they're going down to the lower mainland.
Cool. Bye bye, calves. Yeah, I know you don't milk. I know.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching the West of Telkwa YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. If you like what you see. If you got any questions, put them in the comments. Have a good one.